Hello, how are you doing today? I hope that you are doing well. My name is Curtis, and you are watching Positive Breaks, where we stay positive and break open something new. So today, in this video, that new thing is going to be some beard oil and beard balm. So not too long ago was Black Friday, and a lot of the beard oil companies, beard grooming companies, men's grooming companies all had these huge sales. So I couldn't help myself. I picked up things from two different companies. So this is company number one, Copper John's Beard Grooming, Beard Co. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go ahead and bust open this package and see what's inside. Let me spin this camera around. Let's do this. Okay, so here's our package today. I already opened a little bit just to make sure that there was nothing important like packing slips inside. So I already removed those, and I took a peek at the contents, but I shoved them back in before opening anything up. So let's go ahead and jump in here. So this package has got some really neat stuff in it, and I'm excited to share it with you. So it is from Copper John's Beard Company. So this is their regular logo. Maybe tell they are outdoorsy fisherman crew, and there's a really fun surprise in here. So their company motto is to lead, inform, and to help. So feel the difference today. Let's do it. Copper John's Beard Company. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. Okay, this is kind of fun. Wow, it's kind of got that rainbow foil chrome action to it. That's pretty neat. So this is their holiday logo. That's kind of fun. See how they changed it from the woodsy beard look to kind of the Santa look with the styled mustache. That's kind of cool. And the Santa hat. Really, really neat. I really dig this sticker. I think I might even actually like this logo with the styled mustache better than the original logo. So that's really fun. Put that right there. Alright, and what did I get? They had a special for their Black Friday deal where if you buy a combo, they'll send you an extra oil of your choice. So that's what I did. I got the combo and I got the extra oil thrown in. Alright, and here's the thing that I thought was really, really cool. I pointed out that they are fishermen, outdoorsy crew. So here's a nice little write-up. And they've included a fishing lure. How neat is that? A fly fish. Really cool. Well, I've had this here long enough. If you want to read it, go ahead and pause it or go back a few seconds and pause it. But really fun. Alright, so that's all the fun add-ons. The fishing lure, the postcard, the sticker, and empty envelope. Now let's jump into the products. Here we go. Got some oil, beard oil. This is their holiday edition. The second bottle of beard oil. This was the beard oil of my choice that they threw in for free. This is their regular oil, one of the regular oils. This is part of the combo. This is beard butter. So what is beard butter and how is it different than beard oil? That is a great question. So beard oil, this is made for the skin under your beard, and any leftover oil you can put on your beard hairs to help moisturize and keep it silky smooth. But the primary goal of beard oil is to moisturize the oil under your beard, because your beard will soak up and sap up all of your natural face skin oil, causing that beard itch and causing that that dry skin under your beard. Alright, so what I was going for was this coming home. This sounded amazing. It is a hot chocolate peppermint profile. Let me see if I can't zoom that in. There we go. So they suggest applying 3 to 4 drops in your palm, rub them together, and apply evenly to your beard. I have a little bit bigger of a beard than that, so I use a little bit more than that. If you have a smaller beard, you can use less. Here's the ingredients. I picked out this beard oil for a very specific reason. 1, for the scent profile, and 2, because it didn't have any fragrance oils in it. It has your regular carrier oils, your jojoba oil, meadow foam oil, which I've heard great things about this carrier oil, but I've never used it. Argan oil, coconut oil, almond oil, sunflower oil, apricot oil, and castor oil, and along with some vitamin E. It has these sea minerals and then essential oils. So no fragrance in here. So I was super excited about that. So that kind of pairs up with this beard butter. So what's beard butter? Beard butter is almost like moisturizer, but it is for your beard hairs. This isn't necessarily for the skin. This is for your beard, kind of like a conditioner for your hair. So this says, scoop out desired amount, rub it in the palm of your hands, apply it to beard while shaping and styling. This also has that chocolate and peppermint profile. I was slightly frustrated when I found out that the ingredients on here, instead of using essential oils, they used fragrance oils. So we'll see if there's a big smell difference. My assumption is this is going to have a very strong smell, and that's not going to fade. This is going to have a little bit lighter smell that will fade over time, which is okay. All right, so those were what I was looking for. This is what they threw in for me. This is the scent profile is an orange, lime, agave, golden oud, and myrrh. So I forgot what the description was, how they described it online, but it just sounded really amazing. So I'm excited to try this. I am a fan of citrus scents, so this blood orange and the lime, I'm excited about this. Again, I was slightly disappointed. I thought I looked this up on the website. Maybe I wasn't as concerned because I wasn't 100% certain they were going to throw this in. This was kind of a give us a comment what you would like and we'll throw it in. It wasn't like an add to your cart type of thing. So this does have the fragrance oils in it as well. So similar comments with the beard butter. This will probably have a longer lasting scent profile, which is fine. The only problem for me and my family is that my wife has a super nose and some fragrances really hurt her nose. All right, so that's a lot of talking about that. Let's go ahead and turn this camera around. I'll open these puppies up and I'll put some in and let you see how that goes. All right, so welcome back. I've got the seal peeled off all of these products now. So as you can see, it is just ready to be opened, and I am super excited. I haven't broken the seal, I haven't opened it yet. I broke the seal, like I said. So first I'm going to try this Angler's Code. So let's see how this smells. I'm not going to put this one on, I just wanted to smell it. And I wanted to smell it without having the scent profile of the other stuff first. Oh wow. That smells really good. I don't know how to describe it. I do smell the orange in there. And I guess it's the oud and the myrrh. Wow, I'm excited to try this in beard some other day. This just smells really, really good. A really manly smell, not overpowering. It's not a cologne scent. It's not like a super fruity scent. But wow, that just smells really good. Copper John's Beard Company. All right, so the main event, the hot chocolate peppermint. This is going to be very exciting to me. Let me clear my nose. I don't have my coffee here to clear my senses. Oh, that smells really good. That smells just like a hot chocolate peppermint mocha. Really good. So let's give it a little try. Let me see if I can show you how thick it is. All right, so I'm going to take this first one, take my wedding ring off so I don't get oil in it. All right, so I'm going to put a couple drops in my hand. Close the oil. Always close the oil so you don't spill it all over the place. All right, rub it together, get it in my fingertips so I can get it under the beard. Oh, that smells so good. It smells amazing. All right, so now that I got under the beard and into the skin, now I just work the rest of it with my beard. Make sure I get the ends, because as you can imagine, the ends of the beard, even though your beard's soaking up all the natural oils to moisturize itself, the ends get really, really dry. So that is beard oil. Right now I'm just trying to get the rest of the oil off my hands and letting it soak into my beard. Another thing you can do with leftover beard oil is if you have, dry skin on your arms, or if you have tattoos, this makes great moisturizer to help liven up your tattoos, or to help with any dry skin and dry patches. So yeah, that's great. Another great tool for a beardsman is a good comb. This is a Kent comb. It is a saw cut, handmade, really, really good comb. It goes through super smooth, super silky. It doesn't really get caught or have those snags that you get on some plastic combs. So now I'm just combing the beard oil through to help with even distribution and helping with a little bit of styling and getting any tangles out. So typically we'd want to wait 5 or 10 minutes to let the beard oil soak all the way in, so that you're not just layering on top of the beard products, so that the hairs aren't able to absorb it properly. But I'm going to go ahead and break my own rule, and I'm going to try some of this beard butter. Again, the beard butter is just for the beard. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It has a very fun fill design, because obviously it was filled in some sort of factory. So it filled it in, and then it had this really weird air bubble in there. But anyways, let's go ahead and see how this works out. So let me see. It is super soft. They call it a butter because it's using butter things. Like, I don't know if you remember looking at the ingredients, but the primary ingredient is shea butter, which is great for moisturizing. So that is super smooth. That's the smoothest butter I've ever used for beard products. It's not saying much. I haven't used a whole lot of them, but I have used a handful of them. And oh, this smells so amazing. It smells like I've got a cup of hot chocolate with some peppermint, like a candy cane as my stirrer, and I'm stirring it all in. Smells amazing. I am so excited for this. I can't wait for my wife to smell it too. So that is amazing. So, like I said, this is mainly for just the beard hairs. So you just kind of want to moisturize it, work it in, make sure those hairs are getting lots of butter on it, lots of shea butter, and all the other carrier oils in it. The smell isn't necessarily for the beard, it is just for your nose. So any kind of essential oils or fragrance isn't going to have a whole lot of properties for the beard. That's just for applying the product and making it enjoyable. So again, although this isn't for your face skin, this is just shea butter, which is in lotions all the time, so you can use leftover stuff and just kind of rub it in on your arms or wherever you might have dry skin, the back of your hands, and there you go. So that is Copper John's Beard Co. They really hit me up with an amazing deal. I love the sticker that they sent. It is really neat. I can't wait to find a place to put it. So if you're looking for a good, now my background will go back to normal. There we go. If you're looking for a good product, I encourage you to go check out Copper John's Beard Co. I'll go ahead and link them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, I'm going to go ahead and link my previous beard oil review up above. That was a lot of fun as well. So I do have another product coming in the mail very soon, so I'm excited to pull that out and to show you all about it and describe the scents to you, and we'll go from there. So my name is Curtis. You just watched Positive Breaks, where we stay positive, break open something new. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Have a great day. Bye.